Yeah, I've actually been really interested in training scientists in these storytelling skills because it's something that I've been looking at for the last few years. And I really do think that it is key to good science communication.
You have fluorescent molecules that attach to the active genes inside the cells, and then put that in the microscope, and the microscope can go along and read that and tell you which cells and which parts of your kidney are doing what kinds of activity.
Even if we cool them down, even if we could cool them down to absolute zero, these tiny magnets still wouldn't stop moving.
I'm very interested in graphene and graphene derivative materials. So what I do is simulate various molecules on these materials and try to understand if that can actually say to us how to design new materials for real applications.
Do you have a favorite nanoparticle?
Gold nanoparticles, because they are like super special and they have also weird shapes and they are shiny and a beautiful gold color.
Everyone who has rewritable Blu-ray discs or DVDs at home has phase change materials at home.
Semiconductors are a very interesting, very versatile material class. It's sort of materials that have an electric conductivity between that of insulators and that of metals.
It magically changes. With two-dimensional materials, especially graphene, when they twisted it with just 1 degree, it became a superconductor.